are estimating a damage in that site of around 2.2 billion. This is around eThekwini. It excludes the costs for Kwazulu-Natal, which will still be visited at the beginning of the week because they are still anticipating rains continuously over the weekend.
Umnyango uthi okwamanje useyinhlelweni zokubheka ukuthi ingabe sizoba khona yini isidingo sokuthi umengameli ahlonze iKwaZulu-Natal njengendawo eyehlelwe inhlekelele.
We are now in a process of classification to see as to whether it will be necessary for the president to declare a state of disaster in the portions of Kwazulu-Natal that are heavily hit by the floods.
Indawo ezakhele omasipala abangaphansi kwesifunda iLembe noThukela zizobekwa eqhulwini uma ke sekwabiwa imali ezolungisa umonakalo owenziwe yizikhukhula.
We've classified all the areas under uThukela and iLembe local municipalities as being allowed to reprioritize their budget and focus all of it into the flood relief and disaster relief.
Babalelwa ema-60 abantu abashone esifundazweni sonke ngenxa yezimvula ebezihlasele kusukela ngoMfumfu nyakenye. Kubo kubalwa abayisithupha abaleleswe umphezulu.